Hi! Hi! Kung maibabalik ko lang ang tanging ikot ng mundo. Para na kain tayo. Here's Ate Bet. Let's go have coffee first. Ayan. Gonna zip the coffee, guys. Ouch. Very hot. Hot. Very hot, guys. Very hot. It's hot. Bakit ganyan, guys? You know what my light is there's what you call this? You know, the design of my light is not really it's really bright, but then so guys, I gotta never mind the light as long as I'm looking good. Hi everyone, I'm happy. Hi, hello. Kain tayo. Alam mo yung ulam ko is just a broccoli and then rice with coffee. Oh my God, ano ba tong life na ito? Happy pa rin. Kasi yung saluyot ko at malunggay matagal pa eh. Matagal pa dadating yung saluyot ko. Monday pa. It's it. Hi everyone. I was thinking this early, if I do eat veg and then fruits, then all of a sudden I saw my rice. Nakatingga lang yung rice ko. Now, is everyone there? Comment po kayo, guys. Hi. Hindi ko pa makikita yung live ko sa isa kong monitor ko na kasi. Hello. Hello, good evening. Hindi ko bakit ganyan? Siguro kasi hindi pa nakakonect yung internet sa aking phone. Kaya ganun. Kasi kailangan i-update. Ano ba itong mga text message from Philippines? Ay, ang dami kong text message. Kumusta po ang lahat? Ako nangungumusta lang. Kasi gusto kong magbasa ng mga comments. If mamarapatin. Kaya ganun. Kung maibabalik ko lang ang tanging ikot ng mundo. Ayan, magbabasa ako kung sino yun. I-mention out ko ang mga name ng ating mga dumadaan sa wall. Hindi ko pa sila mababasa. I-shout out ko po later. Kain tayo. This is only broccoli and rice. Ayaw ng asawa ko na matigas masyado. Broccoli na lang rice. Ayoko na ng rice. Hmm. Super crunchy pa nga naman. Hi, sis. I cannot see any comments. No. Pag nasa work ako, focus ako sa work. Pero pag nag-break kami, just ko hindi ako mapalagay kung hindi ako makahawak ng phone. That's enough for me, guys. So that I can talk. Nobody's watching anyway. Hirap na. Hi guys. How is the life, guys? Alam mo, mayroong mga nangyayari na hindi kaano-ano, hindi kagandahan, guys, eh. Kasi minsan may mga sakuna na hindi natin inaasahan, ano. But I have faith in God talaga. Pray. I always do pray. Nagpo-pray nga ako para sa iba, eh. How much more para sa sarili ko. Saka ayokong guys, ayokong mang-away. Yung ako na lang inaaway. So let's have banana, guys, while talking to you. The banana is really nice. Wala bang bugbog? Alam niyo yun, yung it's really good. Ayoko nang kumain guys kasi ano, nabuburn out ako sa rice. What is exciting this night, guys, because I really have a very good sleep because of that heavy wind, heavy wind. Mm-mm. Ang ano ng we have storm here, guys, in the UK. And it says that for the next few days we're gonna have a 3 days storm, 3 days snow. I wish. I love snow. Mm, I like snow. It's because we don't have that in my country. And now I even like cold than warm. It's too warm, no? Maybe because my body is already um, adapting of the weather here, and I like it. Because when you are cold, you know what to do. Make warm yourself, you know. Put jackets and so. I'm gonna look at my comments, guys. Hi, guys. Kain tayo. Tapos na ako kumain talaga, guys. I don't just ay naku. Ano lang ata na sobrahan kami ng tulog. Sobrahan ako sa tulog. Pero kagabi guys, ang ganda ng trabaho ko. Gustong gusto ko doon sa ano, sa linya na yun. Pero I'm here to learn everything. That's normal in life. Kailangan mo matuto para mo gustuhin. Para magustuhan mo, matutunan mo muna. Yun. Then later on, maanahan mo na. Ano yun? Mayroong biglang nag-pop in. Hindi ko makita. Nilagyan ko pala na chili flakes yung ano ko. Broccoli ko kaya. Parang ang gaan ng ulo ko. Hindi mabigat, magaan. Pero yung mata ko, I love to sleep. Bakit gano'n? Nasobrahan naman ako sa tulog. Nasobrahan naman sana ako sa tulog. Bakit gano'n? I was listening guys for reading, future reading. Si Vavavanga. Pero ayun ko, parang translation lang ata yung kanya. Parang inano lang niya. Pinaganda lang. Mayroong nag-translate or pinaganda yung story about it. So that siguro parang maano din ng tao panoorin siya sa isang sa YT din. Hello guys. Ay, future reader. Ang tawag doon, manghuhula. Coffee time. Wilfredo. Hello po, sir. I feel very, and my eyes feel like sleepy. I don't know why. I did have a good sleep naman. I did have a good sleep. Yes, I sleep a lot. Coffee. It was just so scary yesterday when I found out that there's something not good happened in my workplace, and makes me, oh my God, even not you, you're not there. It's only a saying. It's only news or what, but you still feel like, oh my God. Then there's a fire as well. It happens. It happened that with the fire gone, it's only within a saying, but I smell it. I can smell really very bad uh, smoke. You know that there is something wrong with the place, and I said to myself, oh, that must be um, for people who works upstairs, and something wrong downstairs is not really nice. So that's all. It's just a thought that everything will be okay. Everything will be all right. Let's wish for everybody to be okay. To, you know, even though for the near future, because that is the life. Miski saan ka pumunta, wherever you go, is really happening. Accidents happen, but oh my God, go away. Accidents, go away. It's not nice. I think I feel, well, I feel like I'm so full. Because before going to bed, supposed to be I'm not eating. My husband keep asking me, "You don't want to eat? Do you want to eat?" Oh my God, why you want me to eat? Well, I did eat because he served me food. So just go with it. But normally I don't want to eat. And there's a little bit of fire into the workplace, guys. But the thing is, I'm not there at that time. It's not my shift. Then my colleague told us about it. Then he said that even though you go into the walk in the hallway, you're gonna smell it slowly, slowly, and then after. Then when I was passing through the hallway, oh my God, yes, it's really strong, but it's all done dusted that time. Um, and I go upstairs into the fourth floor. By third floor, you still can smell it outside the corridor. No, I mean the whole way going up like that. I said, "Oh my God, this really happened. That happens that time." Again, I feel worried. I feel worried about it. Hi, Sheila Pajardo. Nakikita kita dito. Bakit ganon? Hindi kita nakikita doon sa ano ko. Di kita makita dai sa ano sa aking main account. While dito sa Felbeth nakikita kita. Hi, 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 sweet Bombay. Hi, hi, hi. Ang dami kong backup na ano, ang dami kong backup na ang tawag nito. Ang tawag nito, backup na tripod. I need tripod talaga pag nagvo-vlog. I need tripod. Not only holding my phone like that. It's not nice. When I was in Edinburgh, talaga naggamit talaga ako ng ano, ng selfie stick. Tripod na din at the same time. And then I never ever shy na ipakita kung nag-ano ako, nagre-reels ako, ganyan. I was taking my iPad, tripod. I don't have iPad yet. I hope I can have one. I wish I gonna have one. I need to go to the town and look at it, but really it's not important for me right now because I have my laptop, which is I can turn into iPad, or what do you call this? Yeah, iPad. Look like an iPad. It's a laptop, but then you turn like this, look like yeah, it was nice. It's really good. And um, well, I did not shy at all when we are in in the restaurants there with my friends. They keep laughing at me because I'm doing ta 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 ta, talking, 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 which is true. So I bought my what do you call this, lapel. I'm buying it. I'm buying it. I did ordered it, but maybe I'll gonna be arrive at now about few days from now. Maybe I'm gonna get it. It will be delivered soon. Yeah, save, save, save. It's funny, guys, because I never thought this. The the iPhone is you can really use in everywhere. Like you do the shopping and you just click on like that's more easier than anything. Now I realize that's more handy. If you don't need to take the card, because that's the problem is when I'm taking my card into some places and it happens that somebody's using my card. Remember? Um, no, I don't want that anymore. I don't want that happen anymore. No, it's not nice. It's really bad for me. I feel like, oh my God, but never mind. It's done and dusted. So yeah, what happened is last night I worked very nice place, and then we even though it's the only bored thing is you go have your break alone by yourself. Boring. Not like if you have two of you or all of you will be having a break. It's good. There is a competence in it, you know, competence of you're faster than her, you're faster than him. Walk wisely. You go faster than anybody else, and you can try. I do try myself most of the time. I think I do challenge it, challenging myself if how far I can go. That's all. But for me, that's an exercise to go to work. I really like it. But the only thing, when I come home, I don't want to eat. My husband just keep asking, "You want some eat? You want to eat? You want to eat? You want like tuna, tuna?" Oh God! So we only say, "Oh, okay, okay. Can I have that veg as well?" You know me. I don't. I can't eat the rice though. I don't know what to do with this rice now. Maybe tomorrow I will fry it. Ah, because we're gonna have chicken korma, chicken korma, Indian food. So yeah, I think we're going to have a chicken korma. To it. Huh? Was that? Oh, makes me scared now. What was that? Hi guys. Something happened there at the back. I don't know what is that. Well, I'm only one here. But don't tell me there's a ghost. Hello, Sheila. Hi. Ay, nakikita na kita ga. Kita na ko nimo. Kanina ba ang ngani mo dili mag-appear? Now, nakita ko na. Thank you. Thank you, Inday. Padayon lang today sa atong kuan. Sa atong pagre-reels. Kay mga gwapa man ta. Ako ray gwapa nga, dili ta subok. Oy, wala giniingon akong gwapa ko. So, ako lang yun ang moingon nga gwapa ko sa akong kaugalingon. I say, because at the same time, dahil naman ko YouTube good. Muna nga, at the same time, Englishon gina na ako kay nga ako mga followers day kay English man gyud Bisaya day to. Bisaya on ako. I said to myself that no one says that I'm beautiful, that's just me. I have to say it for myself that I'm beautiful. Oh, di ba? Bongga. Yes. Nobody says that you're beautiful. Oh, my husband, of course. My husband, siya lang yung nagsasabi sa akin, oh, you're so beautiful, you're pretty, honey. Pretty, mukha na akong lalaki. I look like a man now. Because of my hair. But everybody says your haircut is really good for you. But still, I want the long hair. Mahirap, matagal pa yung long hair, kaya ganito na muna. I would say that I just enjoy this kind of hair. Diba? Anong ginagawa mo dyan, Sheila? Ay, maaga pa. Tulog na. Charot. Tulog pa. Uy, nag-inom ka no? Nagtagay ka diha no? Hilig na ba nagtagay? Hi, Sudabo. Hi, Ma'am. Good evening. Good evening po. Salamat po sa pagdating. Ala, si Ma'am. So, on duty ka ba, Ma'am? Nasa duty ka ba? Good evening po dyan. Ano, Ma'am, kanina pa talaga ako kyak-kyak ng kyak-kyak. 22 minutes. Ha? 22 minutes lang ba? Hindi. 32 minutes. Yes. 32 minutes. Kumain ako ng rice with broccoli. And then all of a sudden, I changed my mind. I don't want to eat rice, just the broccoli then. So, nag-eat na lang ako ng broccoli. Little. Pero hindi ko pa rin naubos. Maybe because I'm so full from last night. I mean, this morning. Kasi gabi po ngayon dito. So, from work, normally, hindi talaga ako kakain ng food. I don't want to eat anything. Just hot water. So, what happened is, because my husband was stay at home, he's not working, it's his off, and he said that, do you want to have some food? And he showed me something like lasagna. Pero, gulay yun, musaka ang tawag dun, musaka. Looks like lasagna, but it's not lasagna, no? Musaka. Tapos nakita ko pa yung broccoli na luto ko, the very crunchy. Half cooked at half done. Gigising lang po. Sabi ni Ma'am. Hello po. Sabi ni Ma'am Sue, gigising lang po. Maaga ang nagising mo. Tapos, napakain tuloy ako early this morning. Before I go to sleep, that's supposed to be, I'm not eating at all. Kasi hindi ka mamamatay pag gutom ka, no? Na matulog, sabi nila, masama yan, kasi gano'n. Hindi ka naman gutom na gutom. At least, kumain ako 4 hours before finished my shift. Because of my break, no? And then when you come home, you still have food in your tummy. And then all of a sudden, the husband is getting a food, make it warm, microwave, and serve it to me. I said, okay. So, dabo. Maaga nagigising ate kasi may pasok pa. Uy, Sheila. Maga na pasok. Alexa, what is the time in the Philippines? 4:57 AM na pala. Okay. So, Dabu. Ang daming hearts. Thank you sa hearts, ma'am. Oo Sheila, maaga pa nga, Pero, tapos nag-prepare ka pa ng food ng mga bata. Tapos, papasok na siya sa, store. Go, Day. Go lang ng go. I'm happy for you. Happy lang si ate. Uy. I wish everything for happiness talaga. I'm always doing that, but all good naman so far. Good karma. Sabi nila, kapag ka nagwi-wish ka lang ng good to everyone, it good come back to you, which is 100 times. Yes, it's true. In everything, positive thoughts for everybody. Naiiyak na naman ako basta ganun ang pag-uusapan. Natitiri-ay ako. Well, others wishing me a bad, have, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hindi ko mabasa yung name. Later. Hi! So, hindi ko makikita pa yung name. Mayroong nagdumaan. Chris. Mamaya na nga. Yes. Thank you so much. Pero really, mamaya pa ako magtatapos kasi it's only 30 minutes lang ata yung 35 minutes. Oh, see? So, I'm gonna do is, I'm going this way. Thank you. Magbabasa tayo. Cresmonte Nietes Amihan. Hello. Yan. Thank you. Thank you po.